morning, guys. It's good to see you all.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away.
So we literally have no idea where we are. So our friends have an antique booth here at Merchant Square. It is the grand opening, hence the, what do you call it? The car show, the band, the food trucks. Look at the dice in the window. Yep.
This is Midwestern. Chevrolets. So Chevrolets go down.
Karen, when I was growing up, had a little brown Monte Carlo.
That's a 71. It says on the license plate.
Oh, what
I
was
had
yours?
a 1974.
1974 Monte Carlo is what Karen had.
And it moved.
It was fast, and she has a lead foot. The color on that is awesome. That is cool. I don't know, but I love it. Yeah, pretty much. So, I found our friend. She's here. So exciting. We found Julie. Here she is. This is her shop, and she has another one, I think, right?
Yes.
Next door.
Welcome to Bessie Jean's Vintage.
Bessie Jean's Vintage. It's cute.
It's named after my grandpa, Bessie and Jean Helm. I'm so glad you came up, Mary, to visit my booth.
I love this one right here.
Yeah, that's a Dorothy Thorpe mid-century cocktail set. And what makes it really special is it's still got the glass strings.
I didn't realize it was glass.
Yeah. Well, see, most of the time they're broken.
It's so cool. I might be buying it if I break it right now. Aren't they cute? Are they like a painted?
No, it's, I don't know what it is. It's painted
very
just
cool.
a little bit there, but other than that,
Yeah.
they're like.
Aren't those fun?
And then I just repainted the metal.
Oh, yeah.
Just to freshen
Freshen
that up
it
because
up.
the metal never.
Ah, junk journal. Cute. I just love a junk journal. They are so cute. They're so fun. So much to see and do in those.
Little pouches and all this stuff. I make it where you can write on the back, so it's like. Oh, that's really cool. So there's just tons of. I did. I love tearing Bibles up to put them in junk journals.
I love tearing Bibles up.
to make a scripture.
Yeah.
I love these. These are so cool.
Wow, Kelly. Look at these.
Cute. That looks just like stuff that you have at the
Yeah,
house.
it looks like stuff I would buy.
I love these. These are cool.
Might be buying them right
You're
now.
probably, she's gonna end up buying these because she just clinked them together.
More mid-century stuff. Look at it.
Yes. What these are is there are Syracuse, California plates. These were used in restaurants. Yeah, in mid-century.
They're
So if you went
fantastic.
to a restaurant, this is possibly what you would have eaten off of.
I'll take those. Should I take them up front?
Yep. Well, I paid for them up front. Well, thank you.
You betcha.
Awesome.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Julie.
Thank you.
Hey, if you're in the neighborhood and you feel like dropping by, her booth numbers are 75 and 73.
Well, this place is enormous. Oh my word, there's so much to see.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage.
You know, try to fry.
Good old complexions that I adore. So hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on.
This place just keeps going on and on and on. It is huge. It's you again. Oh, here, there she is. It's her again.
But everyone's such a bore.
I thought this was an actual person. It kind of creeped me out there for a second.
At the next table, you're whiskey.
All right, this is the line. It's really a long line. Karen's there. She's gonna get those plates.
Forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Oops, I just tripped over an acorn. Well, I wanted to show you, I got this too. I just love those little houses. It's a little poster sized. I'll put it up on the door and put the Christmas cards around it. We're all gonna go to the steakhouse down here and let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And this is where I'll leave you guys.